Hey, what is going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day. I'm here in Rocklin, California, and this is located in Northern California. This is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, just under 1,600 square feet, and it was fully remodeled. They did an amazing job on the inside, so let me give you a look around. As you first turn into the left, you have sort of like a living area, hangout area. Here's your view. Like I mentioned, they did do a full remodel. On most things, the windows are original, it looks like. But you see the flooring, the finish on the walls, hardware, lamp fixtures. It's all brand new. As you walk into the kitchen area, looks like new appliances. Like I said, new hardware, cabinets, the full 9 yards. Looks like quartz countertops, which look amazing. Let me know if you like the lights underneath too. I think it's a cool look, especially if you're walking in and everything's lit up. Maybe at night too, it's a nice little night light. Backsplash, brand new. Let me know if you like that. Let me know if you like the look of this remodel. But like I said, Rocklin is located in Northern California. We are about an hour and a half away from Tahoe, hour and a half, 2 hours from the Bay Area. So it's sort of centrally located, or the hub between the two. It looks amazing. They did a great job. The staging looks great as well. And yes, staging does make a difference when you are selling a house. If this stuff wasn't here, it would look empty, and it sort of gives buyers an imagination of where they could put things, what that looks like. There's the backyard, which is the best part, and I will show you that very last. But here's sort of a look around. You have your kitchen out to the main road. To be fully transparent, this is a busy road. It is a busier road, but Rocklin is a very safe area. The academics are amazing here, and a lot of people move to this area from other areas. It's about 20 to 30 minutes north of Sacramento. So you're close enough to it, but you're far enough away. It is a very safe area. There's your office space. It does have a closet. So this could be a bedroom. As you walk out to the main hallway, that is locked, so you can't look in there. Here's your second bedroom. Like I said, new fans, new flooring, it looks like. It's sort of like that laminate LPV flooring, which is nice. A lot of people use that. To your right is your laundry room. Quartz countertops in here as well. There are your hookups. There's your 220. Different color hardware in here, but I like it. Looks good. Soft close. Never mind, not soft close. Soft close means if you close it. Oh, it is soft close. It soft closes instead of slams. To your main hallway again, to your right is the first bathroom. Looks amazing though. I love the quartz countertops. They look great. There's granite and there's quartz. Quartz is better quality for sure, and I think it looks better. It is more expensive though. Lighting, backsplash, shower, and then into the master bedroom where you have a sliding glass door that you can walk out to the backyard to. But it looks great. And there I am. What's going on? And here is your master bathroom. Quartz countertops once again. Let me know if you like the gold better or the black, the hardware that we saw in the laundry room. The gold does look nice though. And then here, if you back in, here's the shower. So like I said, here is sort of the back sliding door. And right behind there is walking trails, biking trails. But see, this is what most people don't know about. They know Sacramento, but they don't know Placer County, which is where this is located. This is Placer County. Very few areas in Sacramento will have this. Rural, lush, walking trails. This is the backyard. Sort of have a different change of scenery. That's why I love it in Placer County. I was originally from the Bay Area, moved up here about 25 years ago now, and I will never go back. I would take these trees out. These are, no bueno. But everything else looks amazing. There's the backyard. Let me give you one more view of what you get to look out to. It is super windy today too. Windy, rainy. Look at that, you cannot beat that. If you can sort of see the dirt trail right there, that's the dirt path. It goes all the way through. So that is your backyard. You get two backyards. Woo, it's windy. But that is the house. Like I said, it was built in 75, but obviously fully remodeled. Almost knew everything except the windows and doors. Those are our original. Plumbing, hardware, appliances, countertops, lighting. That is all brand new. So if you have any questions, let me know what you think of this remodel. Did they do a great job? Did they not? What did you not like about it? What did you like about it? That is the house. Like I said, it's a 3-bed, 2-bath, just under 1,600 square feet, located in Rocklin, California. Hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you later. Peace.